Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, I'll show you how to plan your site structure. Normally, I would use a pen and paper, but since I also want you to see what I'm doing, I'm going to use my text editor. The first question you start with is, what's the purpose of the website? And the answer to this is a photographer's personal portfolio. So this is what I'll do for the exercise part. Next, you would do a sitemap. Now the sitemap basically dictates all the pages and subpages from your website. In my case, I'm going to have 3 pages. One is the home page, and then a page for the portfolio, and then an about page, which will show some information about me. Next, what I usually do is try to determine the common elements in all of my pages. So, common elements in all pages. So we have, first of all, a header with a logo and menu, and the menu will reflect these 3 pages from my sitemap. And then I would have a footer, which is also common for all pages. So footer with a newsletter subscription form, and then some contact information. And also, since I'm quite active on my social media, I'm going to add some social media links. And those are the 2 common elements. Now, take for each page and write down everything you want in those pages. So for the home page, I'm thinking of a simple structure like a banner, which shows a featured photo or a photography project. So banner area with a featured photography project. And this will have the title, a small description, an image, and a link to the portfolio page. After that, I want to have a portfolio area showing a few more projects. And each of those projects will link to the portfolio page. So I'm going to write it down. Portfolio area showing 4 more projects. Each of them set on 2 large columns. And here I'm basically saying that I want to split my page in 2 and have project on half of the page. So each project contains a smaller image, a title, a description, and a link. Okay, so that's it for the home page. Next up is the portfolio page. Now in the portfolio page, it would be really useful to have a list of all of my projects, so whoever is visiting can choose, can simply click through each of my projects. So I'm going to have a sidebar on the left side showing a list of all projects. And then on the right side, I'm going to have the current project. So if I click on one of those links from the home page, it's going to take me to that project. If no project is specified, then I'm going to show the first project and write that down as well. So if none is specified, then show the first project. Okay, finally, about page, I'm just going to do a short biography. And that's it basically, a simple structure telling you all you need to know before sketching your website. And speaking of sketching, that's what I'll do in the next lesson.